Samsung Galaxy Z Fold series may not have the greatest phone cameras available, but that is not their goal. Instead, they want the Z Fold to be a multitasking powerhouse, which is why it has 2 selfie cameras on the cover and main screens and 3 cameras on the back. Let's look at what the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 will provide in terms of camera hardware and performance. There were some crazy speculations floating around a long back that the Samsung Z Fold's primary camera will have a larger 108-megapixel main sensor. Sadly, based on recent leaks, this rumor will probably be untrue. Instead, we anticipate seeing the same 50 megapixels, but with a new sensor that delivers improved picture quality and enables additional camera functions. Although some of the reports concerning new sensors are ambiguous about how many and which cameras would get one, it's possible that more than one photographer will get a sensor update. The telephoto and ultra-wide cameras are not expected to get any modifications. Last but not least, there have been rumors that the selfie snapper on the cover display may be upgraded to a slightly higher megapixel count, taking it from 10 megapixel to 12 megapixel. This would once again need a new image sensor to power it. A wide-angle, ultra-wide-angle, telephoto, and 2 selfie cameras will likely be located on the back of the Galaxy Z Fold 5, along with 2 main screens and 2 covers that house the cameras. Here are all the anticipated cameras for the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and their megapixel counts: 50 megapixels, ultra-wide 12 megapixels, telephoto 12 megapixels, cover display fold 10 megapixels, and inner display fold 4 megapixels. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 and its less expensive sister, the Galaxy Z Flip 5, are anticipated to be announced by Samsung at some point in August. Fun fact, this may be the first announcement the business makes in its own native tongue. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.